How to change delivery reason in Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Now make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change the delivery reason in your Grubhub account, there are two different methods. First is you can change the general location of your account. Here in this home screen at the top left corner, you can see the location option. If you tap on this drop down list, select your location here. This will also impact the delivery reason. Next option is you can change the delivery reason while you are ordering the food. From here, select the food or restaurant that you want to order from. Once you are in the page, you can select the food. Once the food has been added to your order list, you can view the order from here. You can review your orders here. And once you confirm everything, you can proceed to checkout. You need to provide your contact information first. Provide your name and your phone number. After that, tap on this continue to address button. You can change the delivery reason from here. You can see your current location here. In the right hand side, you can see the change option. Tap on it. Now you can enter a new delivery address that you want to change it to. Once you are done, you can tap on this done button and you can proceed along with the checkout process. So that's it. That's how you can easily change the delivery reason in your Grubhub order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.